Good morning, respected judges and my fellow participants. My name is Aksanaz and I'm thrilled to be here to share with you a captivating story that has deeply touched my heart. So, without wasting any time, let's start with our topic. So, my topic of my story is A Blessing in Disguise. A Blessing in Disguise is a Chinese tale about a horse trader and his son. This tale teaches us that life's events, whether good or bad, are interconnected, and what sometimes appears to be a setback can be a hidden blessing. This story emphasizes about the importance of resilience and gives a positive outlook in the face of adversity. In a tranquil village near the Great Wall of China, there lived a content and prosperous horse trader. His life was harmonious, his business flourishing, and he had a child son who helped him in trade. Their days were filled with caring of their magnificent horses they collected from far away lands, grooming them to perfection. The old man had a dream to pass his thriving business down to his son and enjoy the fruit of his labor in his twilight years. It was simple yet fulfilling his dream until the course of their lives took an unexpected turn. An unfortunate incident occurred when one of the stable servants left the door open, allowing a very valuable and rare stallion to escape. The news spread like a wildfire throughout the village. All the well-wishers gathered at the old man's house to console him. However, they were taken aback by his response. Instead of wallowing in sorrow, he remained remarkably calm and unfazed. And to everyone's surprise, he insisted that there was no such thing as good or bad luck and that everything happened for a reason. A few days later, to the astonishment of the villagers, the escaped stallion returned, accompanied by a rare, magnificent white mare, a breed of horse that was wild and rarely seen. The old man was pleased, but still he kept unfazed and he continued to assert that life's events, whether fortunate or unfortunate, were part of a greater plan. Life's unpredictable nature did not end there. On one sunny afternoon, the old man's son was riding on the magnificent white mare. She was well trained and obedient, but as fate would have it, she stumbled and fell, causing a severe injury to the son. The doctors delivered a grim diagnosis stating that the son would never fully recover, leaving him partially crippled. Once again, the villagers came to the old man's house, this time expressing their sympathy for the son's plight. But the old man still kept his reactions unfazed, and he recognized that all these accidents are a part of her life. The villagers convinced that he has totally lost his mind and slowly distanced from him. Then a momentous event occurred when which transformed the entire narrative. A war erupted in China. The emperor issued a decree that every family is obligated to send a young man to the battlefield to defend the nation. All summoned except the old man's son, who was sparse due to his previous injury. As the war raged on, many families lost their beloved sons, brothers, relatives. But the old man's son remained safely at the home, exempt from the horrors of battle. The tale, A Blessing in Disguise, teaches us not to lose hope because everything happened for a reason. And there is no such thing as bad or good luck. And also, you should remember that Allah might have a better plan for you and a better way for you. Jazakallah khaira for giving your attention and time to my speech.